create a duck in a catalog avatar and get the yellow duck mask or the white one, whatever you like. Go to bodies and make all yellow or white, whichever mask you're using. Go to characters, type in Jester, and see items. Get the arm, leg to look like this. Unless you want to have different legs, you can take them off. Now, go back and go to layout. You should see the yellow duck suit over here in the third row, but if you do not see it, type in yellow duck suit, or you can get the white duck suit. And if you want to be a chicken, you can get the bird suit and be a chicken. I recommend putting on cheeks to get the best result, and just have fun being a cute little ducky or cow, whatever you come up with your imagination. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!